The Aon Center in Los Angeles is a prominent skyscraper standing at 860 feet, 262 meters, with 62 floors, making it the fourth tallest building in the city. Completed in 1973, it was originally the tallest building in Los Angeles and the tallest west of the Mississippi River. Designed by Charles Luckman Associates and developed by McGuire Thomas Partners. The building was constructed with steel and concrete and originally featured a facade of white Italian Carrara marble, later replaced by granite. Now owned by the Shorenstein Company. It primarily serves as an office building, housing various businesses including the insurance company Aon. Despite newer constructions, the Aon Center remains a key part of Los Angeles' downtown skyline.